Drive It with the two Johnnies. 2FM.
Hang on, Smack. There's a guy leaning over a fence here.
He's got a €50 note. Hey, listen, lad.
Hang on.
Those days are over in here. Those days are over in here. There'll be nothing else accepted now.
This man is trying to get us to mention his company name. He's got a sign held up and a website.
Oh, lovely.
And he's waving a...
Have you not read the news, pal?
He's waving a €50 note at us.
That's tempting.
Some people would imply he's trying to pay for advertising. RT has an advertising department.
Yeah.
You have to contact them. I don't know if they take cash. They might.
Go through the normal channels.
Yeah,
through the normal channels.
check the website. Check the website.
It's the two Johnnies. We are live from the National Ploughing Championships in Rathoneshka in County Laois. It is kicking off. We're at the RT stand, row 17. If you're knocking around the ploughing and you want to come over and just stare in at us.
Shout out to the boys here from Kilmaine GA up in County Mayo.
Yeah. They can't hear us, but know that we're shouting you out, lads. Winafusion4.com.
There you go. They're selling tickets for the club, John. For the club.
The club needs the money, John, as we know.
Drive It with the two Johnnies.
14.